Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm popping in with a real quick video to give y'all an example of an all natural mask that y'all can use, which most of the things you should already have at home. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. So let's get started with the things that you will need. Of course, you're going to need some Bentonite Clay of your choosing, whatever brand you like. Also some apple cider vinegar. Make sure you get the apple cider vinegar with the mother. That's one thing I will say that I would want y'all to use that one. I choose to use turmeric and cinnamon in my mask, and also charcoal. So if y'all don't have those last three things like the spices and stuff, you don't have to worry about that. You can tweak it to your liking. Whatever you want to leave out or add in, you can do that. But make sure that you have the clay and the apple cider vinegar. Now if your skin is too sensitive for the vinegar, you can dilute the vinegar a little bit with water and try that, or you can just use water with the clay. So whichever works best for you, that's the one that I want you to use. Okay, so the things that you will need to make your mask is plastic. Okay, you're gonna need a plastic bowl, any plastic bowl that you got. I use this little bitty 1 teaspoon measuring spoon that I have in the kitchen. I use this plastic spatula that I have, and I use this little plastic mask applicator that I have also. So the reason why you have to use plastic, because if you use metal, it will deactivate the minerals in the clay. So that's very, very important, because you want to make sure that you're getting all the benefits that you can out of that clay. So let's get started. I'm gonna take basically a teaspoon of the clay and put it in my bowl. Get done with that. And the vinegar you want to add last, after you put all your dry ingredients in your bowl. So now I'm gonna take my turmeric. You really don't have to measure this, but I don't use a whole teaspoon. However much you want to use, that's how much you can use. Okay, the cinnamon, I'm gonna shake some of that in there. Yes, honey, cinnamon. And as far as the charcoal, so these come in little, pills. So I have to actually take these apart to get it in there. Just make sure you're not around anything white, because this black charcoal will get on it and it will stay on it. You can wash it, but you'll find that it still will leave that it will leave some kind of like spot there. So just be mindful of that. So once we have all of our dry ingredients in here, I'll go ahead and mix all that up, just to get it all mixed up. And usually by the time it's done, it looks gray. It's like a dark gray color. So now I want to go ahead and add my apple cider vinegar. When you're adding this, make sure that you don't make it too soupy, because that's not what you want. You want it to be thick like a paste. And these masks are not new. Like, these are all over the place, because a lot of people use this for a lot of different benefits, including acne scarring and stuff. Like, if you have problems with that, this is a good mask for you. Just make sure your skin can handle the vinegar. I need help. But yeah, so mix that up like that. And the vinegar does not smell good, y'all. I'm gonna warn y'all now, it does not smell good, but don't be deterred. You will get through this. So mine is a little watery. I'm glad this happened, because players mess up. But this is how mine looks now. And now we can go ahead and put this on our face. And if you want to know why I chose these specific ingredients for my mask, I'm going to put all the benefits in the description box. So make sure y'all check that out. This is what mine is looking like after about 15 minutes. And I usually wash mine off with warm water, because it's just easier. And be careful, because this stuff gets everywhere. So I will be back after I wash this off. So y'all, I just washed off my mask, and I'm experiencing a little redness, which is to be expected, because this is a heavily detoxifying mask, and it just pulls all the gunk and all the toxins out of your face. So it's to be, like I said, it's to be expected. Don't be alarmed by that. It usually goes away like within, I want to say 15 or 20 minutes. So with that being said, that's all that I have for y'all today. I want to thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all next week. Bye.